Introduction to Cronometer Nutrition Goals.
Cronometer is a popular nutrition tracking app that lets you monitor your food intake and hit your health targets. One of its key features is the ability to set personalized macronutrient and micronutrient goals. In this guide, you'll learn how to adjust these targets to fit your unique dietary needs and preferences.
Accessing nutrition settings in Cronometer.
Start by logging into your Cronometer account. Navigate to the menu and select Settings or Profile. Look for the section labeled Targets, Nutrient Targets, or Custom Goals. This area allows you to review your current nutrition settings and prepares you to make adjustments tailored to your goals.
Customizing macronutrient targets.
Within the Nutrient Targets menu, locate the Macronutrient section. Here you can change your daily goals for carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Enter your preferred values or adjust the percentages based on your dietary plan, such as low carb, high protein, or balanced. Save your changes to ensure Cronometer tracks according to your new goals.
Adjusting micronutrient targets.
Scroll down to the Micronutrients area in the Targets menu. You can adapt daily values for vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. To modify a specific target, select it and enter your custom amount. This is helpful for people with medical needs or specific health objectives. Always confirm changes by saving before returning to the main dashboard.
Reviewing progress and fine-tuning.
Once your custom goals are set, track your food intake as usual. Cronometer displays your progress toward each nutrient target, helping you stay on course. Periodically, review your results by visiting the Report section. If you need to make adjustments, simply return to the Targets menu to refine your macronutrient or micronutrient goals.
Tips for effective nutrition customization.
Consult health professionals before making significant nutrition changes, especially for medical conditions. Take advantage of Cronometer's comprehensive food database for accurate tracking. Use notes and custom foods to further personalize your experience. Adjust your goals as your needs evolve, ensuring your plan remains effective and sustainable over time.